Let's record. So what are the elements we want to identify in this space? Right? Let's go and do that. Product details. Change this to product details. And so let's open the application. So we have to go to or login. So this is the one, my account page. When you do a search, Mac, okay, and we got many products. Then click on any one of the products, okay. So you click on this product. This is the product details page. So in this product details page, we can get this product name and all this product. This is called product metadata and product price. And the two things are there in the price. So you have to get, can you see here, key and value? Key value, key value. So key value, so which Java concepts is used to store key value?
Object key value.
Hash map.
Hash map or map concept we need to use. So that's what, right? Map you need to use to store key value pair, right? And then how can you get this data? How can you get this data from this web page? In Selenium, how can you get this data from web page? How can you get this data from web page? Okay. Okay. First, identify this product header. This is the product name, right? Product header. So identify this. This is how you are, how many times I repeated the same concept and you are not coming back. What should I do? So many times that word I used. How to fetch data from web page. And still, ending also you're not able to recollect means. What should I do, madams? It's not at all good at all. In you're really low preparation you're showing us. This is the worst thing I'm seeing you guys doing. How many times I used that word? How to fetch the data from web page? What is the procedure I told you? Already 5 pages I have written. 5 pages. You got many times that kind of word, but still you are not able to tell this simple basic Java Selenium question means. Where are you guys then? I don't know why. What the hell are you doing? 2 days, all days I'm giving and not reading at all, not listening the videos, and Why you people are doing like this? Then why are you joining the classes? So waste of time for me also, right? Anyhow, let's finish this. I don't want to spend time more on you guys who is not reading, not giving no effort for my. I'll finish it and I'll lift up my hands. People should know without reading, what you guys will do. I don't understand. So this is the okay. So this one you can just take this and product. So name. So that's a product name or product header. You can say that simply. Private. So web element. Product. So header. Find by. You just import that. Web element. You import that. Next element. So I want this product. How many images are there? Just putting some elements we are going to identify. Save the time. See, these are all the elements, okay? And this is also one element. So you have to construct an XPath which is going to, so all thumbnails. So these are all thumbnails. We can start from this and ULLIALIIMG. So LIIMG. Or you can just simply say that here you have so this thumbnail. You can use this thumbnail, okay? A dot thumbnail if you use, and you'll get that. So if you want to see A dot thumbnail, see how many you got it. So this one, 3. So this is the list we want, list of elements, because I'm giving a proper same class value. So that means I'll get a group of elements. So that's I'm going to use CSS that A dot thumbnail. So you can see list of web element, and you can give. So this is the image list. So image list. So import this list, java.util package. You can import it. And find by. So next, what is the next element? So we need to get all this metadata. This is all called metadata. So this basically data about this product. That's called metadata. And that data, so I need to get that. See, you can write here, see, UL, so list. Maybe you can start from this, from top, if you want, from here. You can start from, so div content, from root you can start. So from root you can start, and then you can see here this UL is fine. Second UL, we want second UL. Second UL, the second UL is highlight one. I will come to. So you need to see from where it is starting. shop content or content, and then structure. You understand this structure.
Yes.
This is the one UL, and this is another UL here. So UL, this one, I think from here only it is starting, right? You can start from here. These two are different, and understand here this one is not the one, and this and this are different. Okay, so and this is different again, and this one is BTN group, and this one he coming here, not that one we want. So we want this one. If you want to start from here, so this div, that means here, see this one and this one are same, or so you need to see that. So these two are same. That means you can come from div 2, and so this div you can give, and UL you can write like that. So your own XPath. So UL LI. So you can see that LI. You can do that LI. So brand, and then product code and everything. So let's go and write so which position one you want. So product metadata list we want, and product price list we want. This one also is a different one again. So product price list is under this UL. This UL. So I'm going to use a different position concept here. So I just want to explain position concept. Let me write a XPath for this. So /div square bracket @ID and single quote content. So after that, so I want to, this is the content started. So you can see here div. So this div inside these are there. You can write if you want that /div /div2 and slash. So you can get div2 and UL. So maybe I can write UL. So what is the UL class? Anything is there? Right, class is there. I can give @class equal to the class value. What is the class value? This class value is a list unstyled.
Unstyled.
I'm going to give that. Then, so you can just tell, okay, this. See, if you try this, how many are coming? Just see that 2 are coming, right? But we want first position 1. This is the one. This is the second one. So I want position 1. So I'm going to wrap this entire thing, and I'm positioning it. So I'm positioning. Let's position this position function equal to 1, right? Equal to 1. And then, so you can just, so /li, so that you will get all those things. So is it fine now? Now see, we got only first one only, first LI only we got it. So this is the complete XPath how you need to write it. So let's go see, now you got exactly the same one. So only these things you got it. Only metadata related fields you got it. So now let's write this. So XPath, I'm just removing this, place it. Even though if it is bigger, don't worry, okay? That's fine. Product, so metadata list. Metadata list. So you have to put the list kind of things, because it is giving a group of elements. So first I'll get into list, then I'll get key value pair. First you'll get the brand name, all those values into a one text only. Then I'll convert that into list map. So I'll split that. Then I'll put that in the map. While refining, you have to separate it. So this product colon apple. So based on the this is the one string I'll get first. Second string, I'll iterate the collection first. I'll get all of them. One by one, you split based on the colon. All the colons are there. So, colon before key, colon after value. I'll store in the another map. So that's how you can use the collections in your automation. So that's what they will ask. How you utilize your map. The same thing, and you just do the position 2. That's it. To get the price list. Instead of 1, you just give 2. That's it. So this is the product price list. So list web element. This is how to store the list in the find element. Find by annotation. So find by is giving a web element also. Find by is giving a list of web element also. Both. Okay. Any questions? So now write the methods for this. We have to write the functions for these elements. So let's go and write the functions of this. We'll write the functions. So what are the functions? Still any other elements we need to identify? And if you want this elements, add to cart button, you can add. Just button type ID button cart. You can just add this. Just simple add to cart button. Another element. ID equal to button. So I can just put this just before this to save the time. So add to cart button. That's it. So all elements are done now. So now what left now? We have to create the functions. So how can you get the product name? How can you get the product name? Public string get product name. So how can you do that? So return type methods. So the product header dot what method do you need to use?
Get text
Method. Always remember, again I am repeating this. Any data you want to get from the web page, what is the method you need to use? Get text method. So how to get the data from web page? Using get text method. And I don't know why this simple method you are forgetting. Right? Only one method, right? You don't have any other method to confuse also. So data means nothing but a text only from web pages. Everything is a text only from web pages. It can be a string or it can be any other thing. You can get that data from web pages using get text method only. There is no other method, single method only. And you're missing that so many times. I repeated how many times this method we used. And it's really hurting me. Okay, so the next one is, I want to get the product metadata. So product metadata, we need to get it. How can I get the product metadata? And so let's write the method functions. And we need a map also here, right? You need a map. Again, you reiterate your collection, then split it. After splitting, you need to store a key and value. So metadata key, metadata value, both you will get from the collection, and you need to store in the map. So how can you store in key value pair in the map? What method you need to call?
Put methods.
Very good. Put method you have to use. So let's create a first the map. So the map name I'm going to give here is, let's create a map. So private map. So my key is a string and value also a string only. So value also string only. Both are strings only. And map name you give product. So map. I'm just giving the map name. So import the map. Now I can store key value pair here in this. So let's create first get the product metadata. Get product metadata. So public void get. So product metadata. Get product metadata. So if you want to get this product metadata, you have to iterate this list. You have to iterate this, iterate the collection. So if you want just log.info, I can just iterate. So product metadata count. So I just want to count it. Call this collection dot. So what is the method you need to use to get the count of this collection?
Size.
Size method.
Size.
So you have to call the size method. And then so iterate this for the web element. So that's a web element, right? Web element, and you so this product metadata colon this collection. Iterate it. So you get the text. So each, so because these are all getting many, right? So one by one you will get it. So this one by one you are getting. This one first time, second time, this one. So you get that. So each metadata you get it. So get and store in the meta text. Okay. So I'm going to store in the meta text. So meta txt equal to pmd dot get text. And every time any single you want to get, it will store. What it will fetch? For example, let me give you this. This is the first one. I'm just giving one example. First one it will fetch. So this is the first one you will get in the meta text. So it is fetching. So that will store in the meta text. So brand apple. So next I need to split this. So I need to split this based on the space, right? So let's go and split it. So when you split it, so it will store in the string array. Split the text. Split the meta text. So based on colon. Okay, so based on colon, you split it. I can just put okay, and so it returns a string array. If you use a so split method, it will give meta data equal to meta text meta txt dot split method. The split method So you just give this colon. Okay. So you got it here at the array. Okay. So brand will store and Apple will store. Okay. Brand first one, Apple second element. It will store. So you get the key. So you get the key, fetch the key. Log.info, get the key. So fetch fetch fetch, right? Meta key and value. So I'm going to get string meta key, right? Meta key equal to, and so this metadata of 0, right? This first element is the metadata array of 0 dot trim method. I'm just removing any white spaces are there. Same, if you want value, so meta value. So metadata of where it will be in the second position. So the dot trim. So that's it. So you got the metadata, meta key, meta value. So that where you need to store now. You need to store in the
Product map.
got the key value and you need to store in the where you want to store. Store meta key and value in the map. In the map. You need to store in the map. So let's go and store in the map. So how to store in the map? So you have to use put method. The map, so map name is, this is the map name globally I declared so that I can call it here. So dot put method, store meta key and meta value. That's it. Okay, done. So this is the product get product metadata. Same way you get the product price data. So you do the same thing. Get product price data. So let's go and do that. Get product price data. Get product price data. So get product price count if you want. You just so call this collection dot. So this one. Then okay, function is right, missing the body end. Body end it was missing. Now, so you get the price list dot get off, so 0 and get text. Again, get text you have to use. Okay, get text you have to use. If you want to see this, no, we have already, right? Just go position 2 you give. So what is happening, you see this. See, you got the 2 only. So one is first one, this one, get off 0 means you'll get this. Get off 1 means you will get this. Right? So get that price and so tax price. So external tax price and this is the price. So both, you don't need a loop also. You don't need a loop also. Just do that. String price equal to, so product price list dot get off 0 dot, so get off 0 dot get text, you get the text. So get text dot trim method. So string on string you can use the trim method. Same you do for so external price, ex tax price. X tax price. So, and here you have to give second one, get X dot trade. Now we add this price and external tax price. So actual price, I'll store this one, and actual tax price, I'll store this one. So let's put in the map again, this also. I'm storing in the map. Store the price values also. Log dot info. Store the price values in the map. Dot put method, and you can put, I can give actual price, the key name. So actual price. I'm inputting my own key name, and then you can put this one here. So next, same you store. Second one also you can keep it there. So this is the actual tax price. The actual tax price, and you can put this one. So that's it. So even price and metadata both I kept in this product map. So now I'm going to get a product information, another one more method, return type method, because I need all this data, right? This data and this data I need. So what I'm going to do, I'll create another method so that will get the data. So just public. So I need to get a map. So map string, comma string, and then so get product information. One name I'm going to give. So you can give any method name. So I'm getting the product information, metadata, and both I'm getting into a map. So I need to initialize this map, right? Let's initialize this map. So I'm going to initialize this map. Map equal to new. So a hash map. So this is all you can tell where you have used a map concept. So you can just tell this in my e-commerce website or some, you create your own scenario. So where you have this kind of, and tell that. So this is the question asked many times, where you have used map. So they're asking this question. So then call this product, this method you call it here. See, one method inside, another method I'm calling non-static method. So one non-static method inside, another non-static method I'm calling in the same file. These are all functions again. Functions. See, same class. This non-static method I'm calling in another non-static. And return. So the product map. This you return it. That's it. That's all about this page. If you want to write a click action on this add to cart button, right? So let's write a add to cart button. So public void click add to cart button. Just click add to cart button. That's it. So this page is done, and we'll come back and we'll see the next pages. Okay. Oops.